In the heart of the lush jungle, Ellie stands among a gathering of animals, a picture of serenity. Suddenly, a large, shimmering bubble escapes from my trunk, floating gently through the air. The bubble lands softly on a monkey's head, leading to a moment of cross-eyed confusion. The monkey bursts into laughter, shattering the jungle's peace with its mirth. Ellie looks on, her face a mask of bewilderment as the scene unfolds. Hic! Another bubble pops on a lion's nose, provoking a comical sneeze that echoes through the trees, as other animals start giggling. In the heart of the jungle, Ellie hangs upside down, her ears flapping wildly as she battles bubble hiccups. Hic! A colossal bubble materializes, gently cradling a giraffe and lifting her skyward. The giraffe floats away, a mixture of surprise and amusement etched across her face as she ascends. Ellie, undeterred, drinks peanut juice backward, the gurgling sounds echoing through the jungle. Hic! The air fills with a flurry of bubbles as animals succumb to laughter, tears streaming down their faces. Sunlight streams through the jungle canopy, painting the scene in vivid colors. A wise old parrot gently lands on Ellie's head, sparking a moment of pure wonder. Ellie's eyes widen with joyous surprise as she gazes at the cheering jungle animals. Ellie, you've just invented jungle fun. Let's turn it into a bubble party, the parrot declares. Taking a deep breath, Ellie intentionally hicks, sending a cascade of shimmering bubbles into the air. The jungle erupts in joyous celebration as animals play in the bubbles, a spectacle proudly presented by Ellie.